everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti.
And Shruti, what's up, Joe?
What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Have you danced enough after
That hasn't
Magarao?
happened yet. That's for the
About
song or
yeah,
like for the event that I'm traveling for. That's happening
that
tomorrow.
is tomorrow. Just
Yeah.
this week, did you dance enough to
I
Magarao?
have heard though so much
Oh,
because I was traveling, right? So
hmm,
ये वाले जो कोक स्टूडियो के जो 3 निकले हैं वो मैंने बैक टू बैक बहुत सारी बार रिपीट करके वी कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट ओ जब लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाएंगे या जब सफर कर रहे हैं तब ये वाले गाना या वो वाला गाना तो मैंने वो सारी हसरतें पूरी कर ली मैंने भाई
very nice.
कॉन्स्टेंटली
I
यस
love it. I love it.
सो
I
स्वीट
was I was in the gym. I started gymming by the way again.
आई
Yeah.
नो आई सॉ योर स्टोरी आई सॉ
Yeah.
योर हाँ
So I was it was hilarious because I'm like dancing to Magrola while on the treadmill. So
आई लव
I'm
इट
like making eyes at the treadmill and doing all this. Hilarious.
and
If
telling
anyone
the
could see me,
treadmill to Magrola.
it was
Love it.
too much fun. So yeah, now song 4 is here. We know everyone is like, you got late. I don't like those comments. Just refrain. We will react as soon as we can. And if it's not out yet, it means we are not able to coordinate timings. Just
Correct.
hold your
Correct.
horses. It'll happen. So TK, we
Yeah.
are here. Even though she's traveling, we are here. Yay. Let's get on with it. It's called Harkale. All I know
I
is that
feel like, sorry,
Hmm.
I feel like Coke Studio is incomplete if I don't do at least one track of it while traveling. That's happened every year. Like, like
that
last year also that same thing
yeah.
from here
It
has happened.
started with me traveling.
Yes.
I was in India. Yeah,
Yes.
remember?
Yes. Yes.
Tu Jhoom to I don't remember also the room I was in. It was such a makeshift.
So it's a thing
um,
for us. But
yes.
come on now. Har kale.
Chalo. So ye ho gaya. Pashto song. It is. That's what I know.
Okay.
And so what I'm noticing is in season 14, this just came to
Hmm.
my mind. He
Hmm.
was there was a lot of emphasis and highlight even in the end credit when the Coca-Cola का logo आता है हर एक वीडियो के end में वहाँ पे real magic बहुत दिख रहा था. इस
Huh.
बार the emphasis is very subtly on sound of the nation
That's true.
on the second
Yes.
tagline.
Yes.
So they are doing that
Mm.
subtly through the languages being covered.
Correct.
And
Correct.
and I'll tell you what happened is because that reel I posted on Instagram of you and me discussing why videos and visuals are being given so
Hmm.
much importance. After that, I was thinking that another point was key through the visuals that they're showing us so far in the
Yeah.
last 3 songs, starting with the Sindhi song and then the last song, there's so much cultural representation of
Yeah.
each area and its language and all of that. जैसे वो बना रहे थे जो खाने का फर्स्ट वीडियो
Correct.
में
Correct.
और
Huh.
जो उन्होंने पहना हुआ है और टेक्सटाइल्स और ये वो सब कुछ not just the music but everything about the culture is being visually shown to the world.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
and because of that people are googling these things. I'm googling these things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like when I heard this song is Pashto, I actually Googled how many languages are spoken in Pakistan. Because on the
Hmm.
outside, I thought it's Urdu and Punjabi mainly, like
Oh.
I knew there are others,
Huh.
but in what percentage and all. So then
Correct.
I saw
Correct.
that Punjabi is the most widely spoken and Urdu is
Yeah.
actually the fourth.
Yeah.
So all these things I learned
I don't
and
know
it's
that
all
either.
happening.
Yeah.
It's
That's,
happening because of the videos and they're making us curious.
yeah.
People are so I think the intent was that it's represent the nation and all
Correct.
its regions and aspects and languages and make people curious about who we are as a
Yeah.
people.
Hmm.
So I think that's another reason. Okay, so that said,
Hmm.
Zaba Shama Spelane Sarazu. I devote my life to you. Let's go. Sarazu means let's go. Like yalla. Okay, Tarazu.
Huh.
Okay, so lovely. It says curated and produced by Zulfi, song narrative Zulfi, composed by Zahur, Zulfi, Rehma, Curly Ne.
Oh, okay.
We heard his song.
Yes,
What was
yes,
it?
we have.
क्या करे
न-
कुछ था.
गाने का नाम मत पूछो बोलिए कल ही नहीं याद है
Okay, we remember his fantastic.
Yes.
Saad
Yeah.
Bukhari or Sakhari. Okay, written by Zahur, Hidayat, sorry.
Hmm.
Hidayat Marwat, Rehma, Abdullah Siddiqui and Saad Bukhari. Music arranged and produced by Zulfi and Abdullah Siddiqui.
मुझे ऑलरेडी वाइब्स आ रही हैं मुझे पता है किस टाइप का गाना होने वाला है लाइक द अंडरकरंट वाइब ऑफ इट इज ऑलरेडी सेट इन माय हार्ट नाउ
It's happening. Video direction is Zain Pirzada and Luke Azaria. So these are new names for us, and we'll go over the instruments and everything later. Chalo, let's get into it.
Let's go.
Ready?
Yes.
To brace ourselves, tissues are ready, everything okay. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, play.
Coke Studio, Season 15.
Whoa.
Jwan zaman, jwan dasta belaşane de Her kale zakkavam zappa darvaze Stargo to Rakai malakh kola Chappase sarvama lakka levane Sarama varpase larda me khane Das lako Sada shwadakh kola Us palle rage pa dunya Suju me chibya dasi kolle Tami yo makam tera solle Nasha mati za pipu yolle Kule wali de dasi kolle Dasi kolle, dasi kolle Suju me chibya dasi kolle Tami yo makam tera solle Kule wali de dasi kolle Dasi kolle
Black and a blue pulling me with stars I'm on the move, ready whenever you hug and fall Deeper than oh If I run away, would you let me stay? Dancing with the distant magic Lightning in the love like static Don't even understand it, it happens I can see it's everlasting I could hear the clouds, they roar But your name Didn't think that I'd change Said I would've fall, but it's too late Hanging on the words that you don't say Crazy how you doing this to me I can see it now, you're my soulmate You're my soulmate, you're my soulmate Said you wouldn't call, but it's so late Taking up my time, maybe you wait I can see it now, you're my soulmate You're my soulmate, you're my soulmate
Gala mein sawari hai, 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 gala mein sawari, 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 gala mein sawari hai.
I walk to the unknowns with you Grooving to the moon when I look at you
Sabr shams bilani sara
I walk to the unknowns with you Grooving to the moon when I look at you From the other side I sing it back to you
Suju mein chibya dasi kolle Tami yo makam tera solle Asha mati za pipu yolle Kule wale de dasi kolle Kule wale de dasi kolle
Suju mein chibya dasi kolle Tami yo makam tera solle Asha mati za pipu yolle
Kule wale de dasi kolle 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 Dasi kolle, dasi kolle
Listen, my goosebumps weren't like, can we listen to it once more?
Yes, we can. Listen, I like the
My like when they started clapping and everyone came together, I was like I'm like electricity was running through me. I couldn't like it was too much.
my eyes are welled up and literally they're sitting here because like I am in
Same. Can we
it's
just
about to flow
immediately-
but yes, play. Chalo.
Yes.
One, two.
एक मिनट क्यों करने
sorry.
दो हाँ wait okay ready
1, 2, 3, play.
Coke Studio, Season 15.
Jwan zaman, jwan dasta belaşane de Har kale zakavam zapa darwaze stargutu Rakai malach kola Chapase sarvama lakkale vane Sarama varpase larda me khane Dazlako Sada shwadakh kola Os palle rage pa dunya Suju me chibya dasi kolle Tami yo makam tera solle Nasha matiza pipu yolle Kule wali de dasi kolle Dasi kolle, dasi kolle Suju me chibya dasi kolle Tami yo makam tera solle Kule wali de dasi kolle Dasi kolle
Black and no blue, pulling me a stars. I'm on the move, ready whenever you're looking for deeper than oh. If I run away, would you let me stay? Dancing with the distant magic, lightning in the love like static. Don't even understand it, it happens. I can see us everlasting. I could hear the clouds, they roar, but your name. Didn't think that I'd change. Said I would have thought, but it's too late. Hanging on the words that you don't say. Crazy how you don't listen to me. I can see it now, you're my soulmate. You're my soulmate, you're my soulmate. Said you wouldn't call when it's so late. Taking up my time, maybe you wait. I can see it now, you're my soulmate. You're my soulmate, you're my soulmate.
Gala mein zawadi hai, 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 gala mein zawadi, 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 gala mein zawadi hai.
I walk to the unknowns with you, grooving to the moon when I look at you.
Sabr shams bilani sara
I walk to the unknowns with you, grooving to the moon when I look at you. From the other side, I sing it back to you.
Suju mein chibya dasi kolle Tami yo makam tera solle Asha matiza pipu yolle Kule wali de dasi kolle Kule wali de dasi kolle
Suju mein chibya dasi kolle Tami yo makam tera solle Asha matiza pipu yolle
Kule wali de dasi kolle 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 Dasi kolle, dasi kolle
यार सेट पे बारिश करा दी उन्होंने क्योंकि पश्तो रीजन में वहां पे मतलब जहाँ पे पश्तो बोलते हैं वहां पे बारिश होती होगी इमेजिन
वो
दैट
पूरा they were calling and waiting for the clouds, and then the clouds came and it poured. Like it was a whole story to it. I can't believe they sang in the rain.
इट्स जस्ट इसका बीटीएस मतलब कैसे उन्होंने मैनेज किया दिस इज गोइंग टू बी
They are shattering all the expectations that we
So-
had of 10 times higher. You
it's
know, than
completely
last season.
different from all their stuff this particular song
This
has-
is like a movie.
right and
Yeah.
like it is fully different from not just the previous 3 songs like you said previous season itself
Yeah.
and what they have kind of done with it एक पूरा जो उन्होंने जैसे वो तो वो इस पूरे सीजन में कर ही रहे हैं कि यू नो एक गांव क्रिएट करना या एक वाइब क्रिएट करना यहाँ पे उन्होंने कुछ शॉट्स बाहर के भी लिए हैं लाइक द ओपनिंग शॉट एंड एवरीथिंग वाज यू नो पूरा लैंडस्केप का शॉट एंड एवरीथिंग बट द रेस्ट ऑफ इट इवन जो स्टूडियो में था एवरी एलिमेंट वाज सो meticulously woven in that the
Detailed.
whole thing it just became like as though you have literally you know his first opening line and the second line that welcome to our world and with wide doors open like you know and you know first time when I heard it I forgot to read. I was so mesmerized with the voice and the music and the way it had
And the
opened
visuals,
कि मैं
yeah.
read करना भूल गई. Like, you know, and I'm like, ये कितना beautiful sound कर रहा है. Suddenly, I think maybe on the 7th, 8th line, I was like, I don't know what it
What are they
means
saying?
because I forgot. But I was so like,
Yeah.
I'd flown with it. Like, I was like, हाँ
Yeah.
मैं बह रही हूँ, मैं बह रही हूँ. So wow, man, like this is just, and the English vocals also. Like, you know, it's the
And
pronunciation
I
of it was
also,
very within Pashto, but in
I
English.
was just thinking that the way these two languages merged, I don't know when one language ended and the other started, and vice versa. And then when they were doing the back and forth together at the end, it literally sounded like they're singing the same language. It
Yes.
didn't sound like two different languages are being sung, and
Yeah.
it was so beautiful. Like I literally lost myself in the vocals, and I was like, this is
My
one.
voice
It's
was
one,
there.
you know?
Exactly,
So the
same.
way that they've chosen the words also, the lyricists, like full marks to them.
Yeah,
The
man.
kind of way the lines of each language have merged and the way they've rhymed each line and
And the
the
intonation, like the way they're even
exactly.
speaking it, you know?
Yes.
And us tarike se, like, you know, same sur mein, same tarike se, the ends. Oh,
There's
man.
no jarring at any point or sounding different. It's literally melted into each other just like the two lovers in the song. It is just beautiful. Like हम दोनों अलग हैं लेकिन हम ऐसे
ये मुझे इस गाने का इम्पैक्ट बहुत ज्यादा फील हो रहा है. मुझे क्यों ऐसा लग
listen,
रहा है? मैं ज्यादा
मेरे
तो नहीं हो रहा ना? Even you're feeling
no,
it.
my goosebumps are not going while talking
Yeah.
about it because
Yeah.
I'm just right now I'm a little like in shock and just stunned by
Yeah.
the level of artistry and
Skill.
passion and
Yeah.
intent that's coming across in
Yeah.
every single frame, every single note,
Yeah.
every single like line. It's like the entire video and visual team and all the departments that are visually giving us something, but even the sonic department and
Oh,
the way
yeah.
the creation of like just the right. I can't. It's too much. It's too much. This was a movie. This was a movie. It
The
was a
skill
movie.
set is blowing me. Like, you know, along with everything you said, it is just to see that, oh, skillfully, this is possible. Like, you know, even for the
Yeah.
singers, the way they were singing, like you said, every department, it's like, oh, wow. And also, even when they were on the set, it didn't feel like a set. Like, you know, it
My
was so
God,
detailed and
listen.
everything was so like, ऐसा लग रहा था किसी के मतलब आप अंदर जाके like किसी के reality के अंदर आप झांक रहे हो.
Listen, it
हाँ,
literally felt like we are there.
हाँ, हाँ.
We are
बिल्कुल ऐसे
there
ऐसे
in their world. We probably were. They probably went there and
probably
shot
were.
because it's so believable. Even if it's a
Wow.
studio and a set, it's so believable that they were up there in the mountains and they actually found like this like what would you call it, a souk or a little like a
Village.
restaurant or a
हाँ,
marketplace or
अच्छा like
anything.
that. हाँ.
वहाँ पे वो बैठ के लोग खा रहे हैं
Correct.
और you know it's like a plaza almost where people are
Correct,
just
correct.
sitting. Some people are
Yeah.
sitting and playing a game. Some people are doing something else. Someone's selling something.
Yeah.
There's food being served somewhere. So it was literally like you've landed there in their world.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it didn't look like a set. And that's why when that opening scene happened, I was like, 1 second, have they gone out? I mean, I know they
Have
shot
they broken? Huh.
they shot 2 a.m. out on an outdoor set, but did they actually go into the mountains for this? Like what happened? That entire all those shots were just mind blowing right there. It's like intro shot.
And
Expect
that the break they created in the middle of the song with the claps, with the whole rhythm of, you know, hand,
Listen,
ek to that itself just like
full
it
flamenco
immediately
vibes
pulls
were
you.
coming there, and I was thinking the sonic scape
Huh.
of this song has such a strong Abdullah Siddiqui stamp on
Yes,
it.
yes.
From the
100%.
beat to the mixing to even the way the instruments, वो जो play
Yeah.
करते हैं ना मटका, that
हाँ.
मटका वाला percussion thing,
हाँ, हाँ.
उसका जो faintness वाला, it was like third, fourth layer, but it was
हाँ.
there, and the way it
हाँ.
was being mixed with the more like modern sounds, just
When they were dancing, you know, वो बारिश में जब background dancers जो थे, जो dancers थे actually, जो dance कर रहे थे around, and that must be like their
a
cultural
folk dance.
folk
Yeah,
dance, correct?
yeah.
And you know, looking at them dancing like that in the rain, I wanted to dance like that in the rain. Like, you know, it was such a freeing feeling. Like, you know, and I was remembering last song
That's
ka
the
how
word.
Zulfi kept saying Azad. और
Yes.
मुझे ऐसे आजाद spirited feel हो रहा था उनको
You
देख के,
know,
and I was like, मुझे ये करना है. मुझे
Ex-
like, you know,
it's amazing because it was the word that kept popping in my head while looking at them. It's like complete abandon, complete freedom. I want to feel this. I love watching. I'm loving looking at this, and I want to be with them doing this as well. It was just amazing. It was just beautiful. So obviously it's a folk dance.
yeah,
They have
yeah.
So what we'll do is like we did last time, because it was so detailed. I think we must go frame by frame, and when I edit, somebody suggested it, I will put what we are looking at and talking about,
Oh, lovely.
so that we all can like follow each
This
other.
reference point.
Yeah, and there is so much, like every time they had a close up of someone's face or some action, like they had those kids who were being colored with that ash black color, and then when the rain came, the hands were red and they were washing them. So there's some symbolism in all of this from the culture.
Yeah, and the line that time with the eye and the face ka that blackness, like वो जो राख लगा रहे थे मुंह पे, and the line was about that you are the black of my eye. We've normally heard like you're the apple of my eye, and we've heard those references, but जिगर का टुकड़ा ये सब सुना है, but the black of my eye, which is literally like,
I saw that line and I was wondering, like, you're not the rose of my eye, or you're not the thing, you're the black
like,
of my eye.
You're the main part. You're like, if the retina is not there and if the black part is not, like, and it is such a
but the black of my eye that makes me able to see the beauty in things. That
it was just gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
So interesting, because when I read that line ka translation, I was recently watching some podcasts and things, and somebody said something about love. I think you sent it to me, by the way. And the person said ki the reason we love someone is because they help us.
Yeah, we recognize the things we need to better in ourselves, or what we want in ourselves.
And they bring out the things in us that we like about ourselves. Very few people have the ability to do that, and then we feel that attachment and that love for them.
Correct.
So correct. This is the exactly in this line that makes me able to see the beauty in things. Yes, love does that. And Harkale means welcome, apparently. So, the word I really loved was gule. Gule was gule. Yeah.
There were so many words. There is like this I tell you what, it's creating a very pure and a very like hush-hush feeling within me. So I don't know if I'm sounding strange right now, talking like very aise. No. I'm literally, एक वो feeling जो होती है ना, where it's like, it's so pure that you want to talk about it in hush tones and you want to save it. Like, वैसी सी feeling आ रही है मुझे. So which is why I'm like being all like, I don't know, it's a very strange feeling.
Which is, I think the message and the theme of this song is two lovers who don't come from the same world and who are finding the love between each other despite those differences. So I feel that itself has such a pure element to it, and such a, beyond the superficial, we see each other's soul, and that's why we connect. We don't have a language in common. We don't have a world in common, but we are connecting, and that connection is based on something very pure. And I think that's why we are feeling how we're feeling the thing. And then when that's kind of like pure connection happens with someone or something, you do want to protect it. You don't want, you want to gatekeep it as long as you can, because it deserves that protection. Like, so I get what you're saying totally. Oh, so sweet. Okay, we will do this. We will go over the video ka things and try and pick out the elements. Uske baad fir hum music or lyrics or singers or musicians pe jayenge. So we don't miss anything, because then after we miss something, then later I feel very bad.
By the way, and then comments come like, oh, you both missed this. Those comments.
Bhai, exam thodi chal raha hai, kuch na kuch miss hoga. Anyway, chalo, let's. Okay, so I'm gonna go frame by frame, and it'll be, so this opening shot where there are these women standing. See, they're all looking at the sky. So they haven't had rain clearly, and they're waiting for the rain. And that's the start of the story. Even the guy with his horse, he's also looking at that guy with the horse. मुझे क्या याद आ गया?
What?
Amitabh Bachchan, Khuda Gawah.
Well, rightly so. I mean, it had a lot of those elements,
And there were so many shots of him standing like that. And that movie breaks my heart. I can't watch it again. Wo ek baar agar dekh
and his outfit and everything was also very much of the same region. That's why. And
his entire personality was so, anyway. Okay, so that came. Okay, see, he's also looking at the sky there. And then there's like a village entrance. Two guys are standing at the gate, and they're then the sound of the nation. I smiled. I smiled when I saw that. I was like, see, they're highlighting it. And like we will cover all that.
है ना? ऐसे वाले boom box देखने को नहीं मिलते, और ये बहुत ही typical transistor / boom box है, like
it's one tape of the recorder first I had.
Boom box नहीं बोल सकते इसको, ये tape recorder है.
Tape recorder radio set in one.
radio ऊपर AM FM, correct.
ऊपर बड़ा antenna open करो. Yes.
नहीं, ऊपर the top of the thing is like that long one where you could shift the frequency. Oh my God. Too
हाँ,
good.
सिलाई और बहुत सारे थे वीडियो में, by the way.
सब
The
कुछ वही
end.
था, exactly.
They got the
हाँ.
boom boxes. Okay. Then there's a table with all these stones, which
Yeah.
I was like,
They're famous from that area.
exactly.
Crystals and stuff. Yeah.
Yes,
So even when
yes.
we buy it now anywhere, a
Yeah.
lot of these, they actually sell it as that. कि, you know,
Yeah.
ये वहाँ का एक special है. So yeah.
I have a rose right now. Nice. I saw that and I was like, so it is like a marketplace also.
Yeah.
And Zahur and Rehma. Okay. Okay. And then she's burning this incense, which I don't know about what they call it, but it's called bukhur in Muscat, in Oman and in Dubai.
Okay.
Isn't it? I think.
हाँ.
And then so it like gives a smell to the whole room and house and
Clarifies and like
most,
cleanses and
yeah.
yeah.
So in most Omani homes you'll have that burning.
Here
all day.
also like yeah, उसको कुछ और कहते हैं लेकिन I
हाँ.
can't remember.
The
एकदम से,
name is
हाँ.
different everywhere,
Cool.
na?
Yeah. Name changes, yeah.
Let me just quickly check because we might as well.
अरे ये वो होता है ना, I can't
Yeah,
remember Google
bukhur.
and
Yeah,
उसका
it's
हाँ.
incense. It's a blend of
हाँ.
aromatic materials, including
Yeah.
raisins, wood chips, spices, oils, all of that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ठीक है. Then he starts singing. Zahur, his name is. What a voice.
And I love they kept the shot only to his face with like
Yeah.
and in like one like right corner and then like you could see the whole thing but not really. Everything is so dark that
And,
like you know you can't really make out anything. Yeah.
Then the child who's like someone is rubbing on her
Yes.
and she's
Yes.
rubbing on someone, the black color. That makes me able to see.
Also,
the whole
all their
thing.
smiles, all the faces they've used, like everybody smile and their eyes are smiling, yeah.
Yeah.
Like you know, when they're like
Even
they're
that
so full of
woman,
life.
yeah, all of them, all the
That
close-ups.
end में मेहंदी जब दिखा रहे हैं तो even like all the boys were smiling. Oh, like it's just their faces are too good.
It's like Sachi mein rain aa gayi, you know, life with that
Khushi.
smile.
Yes.
Then okay, then he's singing and I'm not looking at the lyrics right now. I'm just looking at the frames. But it's so I was looking for you, man. Then these men who are standing, 3 of them are sitting, 2 standing at the back. First of all, their entire look and from their hair to their beards to their like everything is so
it's also almost like a bar setup, right?
It is.
Like it's a bar and alcohol room, like you know, one of those tavern rooms, and वहाँ पे musicians perform कर रहे हैं वैसे वाली vibe.
It's a tavern, restaurant, bar, this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, that's Guy, that small boy whose close-up happens. He has the combed hair.
Correct. And like a very serious look. What I don't understand is why that serious look though. Like, you know, or maybe they're just showing different faces of the region.
Let me see. Yeah, I think that's probably it. Is echoing the sound of happiness like the spring flourishes the earth. That's what the line there is.
Line says over there. Correct.
Okay. Then that instrument came in, which is from there. Let me just see what it might be. Synth bass, percussion, synth. Persian tar. It's a Persian tar, Haider Ali.
I was about to say कि tar है लेकिन बड़ा है and like you know with double gobulets or single.
Got that infinity symbol, it looks like.
हाँ.
As soon as that came in, that sound actually just automatically transports you to that region of the world, you know. Correct. Lovely. I don't know how. Then while he's singing, there are these kids in the background. Are they kids? Okay, and then there's a frame of these men sitting and playing. So I think it's what is it? It doesn't look like chess. It is checkers.
मतलब जो भी शतरंज का version होता है, like you know with the
वो सब हमें BTS में वो बताएंगे.
Chess का version correct. हाँ, उसमें पता लगेगा हमें.
Then there's a guy who's pouring a drink, a chai.
Yeah.
Thing. Then she comes in. By the way, I love her green outfit. Just
I agree.
It was,
yes, the emerald is just.
And the jacket with the embroidery and all that, right? I think it's very typical from there, I think.
And she symbolizes the greenery which comes with rain. So I almost looked at it as everything was very dull. And then she comes in with like greenery, with like, you know, fresh rain when it happens and spring is here and like, you know, all those representations.
Yeah. And she's actually standing in this Ittar ka shop, if that's what it is. It's a perfumery because there's all these bottles.
Yeah.
These bottles behind her. So again.
I assumed it was a bar, but you're right. It could be like a Ittar ki dukaan. Oh, wow.
Yeah. So because it's a marketplace plus tavern, so there are shops and so then she gets out of that shop.
But how beautiful! What a beautiful thought that when spring comes in and when she comes in, like you know, वो इत्र और खुशबू के साथ and like how wonderful and color and everything.
Yeah. And then Ahad Nayani is shown on the. I didn't recognize him first, and then when he was smiling later in the thing. Then we see that matka being okay. Then there are these women who are sitting.
Yeah, but just before that, I also really like how she's walking around and she's showing her version of the marketplace. Like earlier, in the earlier this thing, when he's showing his version of the marketplace, it's slightly different. And then when you see her version, so which also kind of symbolizes, like, with their different worlds. So identifying the differences within what they are seeing and yet the similarity. So that was very nice too.
So like he seems like he's part of the space, and
Yeah.
she is walking about like she's a visitor and she's looking at all these different things from an outsider view that way. Yeah. Didn't know. So it's something I could hear the cloud, it rumbled your name. Okay, 1 second. So these women are sitting there and their outfits, every single lady there.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Wow.
It's at
Oh,
159.
wow. Yeah. I'm right there.
It is stunning. Everything
Right,
from
from
the
the
carpet at the
jewelry.
back. Yeah,
Like
and that
that.
wall
Yes.
their jewelry, the prints, the border on the dupatta.
Embroidery on the
It's just so,
stuff.
yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
And
Costume
इतना सटल
departments.
सा 1 सेकंड का ये सीन था और ये वहां से भाग गया और उस सीन के अंदर डिटेलिंग देखो.
And how
It
much
is just
time they
हाँ.
that's the thing. For just single shots, they have spent so much time and effort.
And even the utensils that are lying around, they're so typical of that region that you can, literally look at it and say, okay, like even, wow.
वो बड़ा सा जो है, is it a
हाँ.
water का container? Is it a, I don't know, like it's very big.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's a decorative
Surahi ka
piece.
version of that.
हाँ. And then there's a lady who's burning like sage or something, and she's doing some, I don't know what that is. Maybe it's nazar utarna or something. Like it.
No, रोज सुबह शाम को वो करते हैं ना.
She's doing it in front of
forgetting the
someone's
name of it.
face.
हाँ. Yeah.
That's why I was thinking.
Hmm.
She's doing it in front of her face.
Yeah.
So we don't, maybe Sarah would fall, but it's hanging on to the words that you don't say. Then that shot from behind her, she's singing, and then we see this round area,
Performance
like in the
space and
middle.
area where
Yeah,
he is. Yeah.
so beautiful. This set, man. What is this set? Oh, and that's where the light is coming, no, from outside. Just, and then they are across from each other. Okay, and then. And just the way
all the musicians,
carpets, all the and like even the flooring, all the carpets that are just like, and they're not like in any order, they're just rolled out in different like things.
Correct.
You're my soulmate wali line pe, that girl's close up.
Yeah.
And every
the
time
one
I
who's
saw
wearing,
her with that headpiece.
Yeah.
And that smile and her eyes looking at the camera the way they're looking. And it was literally, I was getting like, this is Mona Lisa's smile type situation. It is so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
And mysterious.
And mysterious. And you can't tell what she's thinking.
Yeah.
Or, it's just.
And yet she's speaking so many things that you look at it and go, ye bhi ho sakta hai, wo bhi ho sakta hai. Nice.
And that jewelry. And her like very flushed pink cheeks. It's
it's
like
a pahadi thing.
Yeah. I smiled every time I saw that, both the times. Okay, then he is walking around. So see, the whole place is just all these people sitting. Okay, then this older man, this okay, and then the shot of the kid looking at the sky and the clouds have come. So now that shot was just beautiful. How did they make that shot? How did they make that sky?
Well, I'm assuming later in post.
You think they did?
Yeah. थोड़ा बहुत तो करना पड़ता है यार, वो इमोशन डालने के लिए और उसको करेक्ट तरीके से बताने के लिए. अनलेस वहां पे अभी बारिश हो रही है, मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन आई वुड अज्यूम के थोड़ा तो करना पड़ता है.
Yeah. They can't exactly create those clouds out of cotton.
Yeah.
We don't know. Maybe कुछ भी हो सकता है. But yeah, and then how the clouds have come, and now the light is coming in through that center thing, and then they all come into the middle to joyously celebrate.
जिसके बेस को भी उन्होंने ब्लू कर दिया है, just as a marker कि हाँ, elemental whatever shift create करके just बता दिया है with those pillars all around. Now that I don't know, is it like that region has these kind of structures a lot, which is where it's inspired from, or is this like an original idea, brainwave that they had, like let's just do this in the middle of the set? आसपास सब कुछ और बीच में ये.
No, so it is these kind of like
they've gathering been there forever.
Holes, watering holes are kind of probably is a standard feature. That's
and they also have a very multi whatever meaning to it, right? Like all not just cross-cultural, but like cross-dimensional things. It's always known that it'll always be like in an oval or a roundish thing, where a lot of, that's why communes, when they happen, it's always round. When a, seance happens, it's all. So that has a different significance in the whole cultural way, everywhere. And uska matlab on a base level same hota hai sab jagah. So that, has been used quite well here.
It's energy related, you know. Okay, so now they are in the middle, the clapping.
It kind of made me think of Outlander. Outlander mein wo tha na, when they're touching that stone in that rounded space and they keep like transporting from one timeline to another time space. Have you seen Outlander? It's like other. So they transport from one time to another. Like so that kind of vibe was coming from this. Like something is going on. Jahan pe like ye transfer kar sakte hain. So that very magical realism type feel.
It made me remember the Game of Thrones scenes with the Dothraki. There were quite a few such like things. But okay. And then so now they've started their dance, and there's this old woman and she had this tattoo thing here. You know, did you see that? So again, I wonder if that's like part of their
that I think all across the whole the Registan belt, basically everywhere, all these regions, all tribal women mostly have.
I'm saying this design specifically.
Ye wala maine dekha nahi.
311.
At what point is it?
311.
311. 311.
So I know I've seen those they have. Then they'll have the
correct.
here.
Yeah.
This design.
I've seen. I've seen this in Rajasthan.
Okay. Oh, you've seen this.
Yeah. ऐसे करके, and then like अलग-अलग type के
dots or something. Okay. Listen, this end bit, no, I just can't. And then the kid comes. He's also, and he's looking at the thing, the top with and then the rain falls, and it first falls on the child's face. Very nice. And then they are all dancing. It was just stunning.
See, the crescendo and the rhythm of the video of the song is also like in such a beautiful play. It's not just the music, but it's also like wo kaise lay by lay jata hai, and then how the, as you're coming towards the end, like the whole climax happens. It's quite nice.
And also the clouds were shown. He's now seen the clouds, they're coming. And then that clapping bit happened, which kind of gave that like build up of like that anticipation wala build up over there. And then the crescendo happened when the drops finally fell, and then the joyous like dance and
then the lovers meet. Like, it's literally like it's all coming together.
So so I just love that little break in the middle because so much build up happened. Beautiful. And by the way the two of them are singing to each other, it was just like you could feel when you're lost in what you're doing, that like both of them were so in the zone, both the singers, that you could feel that energy transfer between them when you're looking at them at that and the end there. And then the shot of the henna on the hand, the water falling on it.
That was gorgeous.
Awesome.
That was like, and it's also because it was so uneven. There wasn't any shape or whatever to it. It was just like, it was just slammed over there, and now like rain is washing it away and it's leaving its color.
And they're all showing it to the camera and they're all smiling.
So these smiles is what I was talking about. Like these smiles are so gorgeous. Like, it's just, wow. At the 341, the shot of that boy's face is like it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Like,
and the way they're dancing also, like someone's like headbanging. It's all slow motion. This slow motion element, I think I said in Magrola also, it is just, you're like this when you're watching it. It just looks so beautiful. Okay, and then this guy looking, so good. People just dancing. I just love this. When the song ended, they all moved away, and then just these two were standing there looking down. And it also kind of, it was very cute in that, we are still in a public place, so we can't like hug each other. That kind of like little like tension moment happened.
I looked at it as slightly different. I looked at it as, when there is so much anticipation, you're waiting for rain also, you're waiting to meet each other, all that, everything is going on. You're coming from different worlds. There's so much fight that happens within self, like within and without. Like there's so much happening. And then finally, when you get what you were looking for, and there is this extreme exhaustion that takes over. Because you've been waiting for something for so long. And then when it happens, you just surrender to the moment and be like, I can't believe like we're here. And then you just
really,
you just surrender. That's the word at that point.
And that's exactly, you're right. It was just exactly that. They're like body language there, because they're like shoulders just drooped. And they're just
and they surrender to the rain. Okay, bus, let it wash over now.
So if this was directed to be done this way, like by the choreographer or the director, then hats off, because that totally just
mission accomplished.
It gave such a beautiful ending to to the story and to the entire
Yeah,
narrative.
yeah,
Loved
yeah.
it. So it says here, culture consultant Hidayat Marwat.
Hmm.
Special thanks to Tajdar Alam. Um, oh, choreography and movement direction is quick style. So see, there's
Oh,
actually like
huh.
someone who's done
Yeah,
like thought these things through and put it across
correct, correct.
to be this way. Loved it. Beautifully
It
done.
shows. It
Yeah.
shows because on its own, मतलब ये जो एक इतना smooth लय है, one thing flowing into another, वो on its own नहीं हो सकता. उसके लिए it needs, it needs direction. It needs like a whole play going on, which is like, thought out, and that's coming across beautifully.
Yeah, it is a play. I
yeah.
just really love the way they're standing there in front of each other with their heads down and it ends like that. Oh,
It's like, you've longed for that lover for so long, and finally when you get it, you're like, लड़ाई करने की भी ताकत नहीं रहती. So by the end of it, you're just facing and saying, finally, I found you. Like, finally, you're here. Like, finally, let's just be in this moment.
also
Wow.
that thing you mentioned about, the struggle within and without, especially when you are falling for someone who's not from your world and who
Yeah.
doesn't even speak the same language as you
Oof.
and doesn't have the same customs as you. There's so many questions in your mind and so many doubts and so much anxiety and so much just thinking that
Yeah.
when you're finally like, okay, that's it. I'm shove all this to one side and I am in love and that's it. And then when you're standing in front of that person, you're actually just like, okay, now what?
So
We're
many
here.
interpretations.
It's
I love
done.
it. Love
Yeah.
it.
Love it. Okay, Zahoor and Rema vocals, Ahad
Hmm.
Nayani drums, Melvin Arthur synth bass, Aziz Kazi percussions, Viru Shan percussions, Payam Mashreki synths, and Haider Ali Persian tar. And Zain Pirzada and Luke Azaria video direction. Again, I'm saying
Wow.
just
Hmm.
all of you, just beautiful. Beautiful. I think Haider Ali was in the last this thing also. He was playing
Acha.
I think he was playing the flute, if I remember correctly, or maybe
Okay. I
I'm
don't remember.
mistaken. But there was
Hmm.
his name was there. No, 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 no. Oh shit! I think he was one sec. Now I will not be happy if I don't check. One second.
Little research needs to
It
happen.
was. I think
Yes.
I know what he was playing.
Huh.
Okay, no, sorry. I'm Haider Abbas was playing the flute.
Acha.
Okay, so at least the name was common.
Huh. Correct.
Because I remember when I read something, I remember, and it was written right at the end. So anyway, ठीक है, chalo, moving on. Now let's talk about the singing
Okay.
by Zahoor and Rema. She, by the way, sounds like she even looks like her. And I was thinking this thought so strongly. She looks like Camila Cabello.
She
Like
does. There's something about her which she
and
does.
the
Yeah.
texture, the vocal texture.
Yeah, but very angelic voice. Like her voice was so like I was constantly listening to it. I was like, ये बहुत मुश्किल है यार करना. Like इस तरीके से और like the merging
There's
of
an
words.
innocence. Yeah.
Because I'm sure it doesn't come easy to just merge the words in the language in the way that she did. थोड़ा सा तो उसके लिए practice करना पड़ता है ना. Because how do you not pronounce a certain word you want to? Only you go with the rhythm and you're pronouncing it only with the rhythm. Like, with the music and the rhythm of it, and you let go of its original structure. Wow, that's just gorgeous.
I am so, and also so the one thing that in both their voices came across so beautifully was the purity of the feeling that they're trying to convey to each other. It was just beautiful. I was like, first of all, props to Zulfi for finding these artists who I have not heard of, both of them. And even in the last few songs, there's just new voices, and I am beyond grateful, because how would we hear them if someone doesn't
That's so true. Yeah.
pick them out and present them to us and on such a big global platform and in this manner? It's just beautiful. So that deserves its own flowers. These two sounded just, they conveyed the emotion with such purity that it just hit straight at the heart. Even the lines when he started and his lines, because I was trying to understand what he's saying, but I was smiling because I was just like, even if I didn't have the CC on, I would have still smiled because it just, first of all, the language itself is very sweet, and the way he was the lines and the music of it was so nice.
And their voices are gorgeous. Their voices were
But
just you know, the expression in the voice, even if it's the first time we're listening to them, sometimes there's a bit of a learning curve. When we begin to understand someone, if we know them, we accept them faster. But
Yeah.
over here, yes, the platform and the way Zulfi has presented them, that solves 50% of the kahani. But baki jo 50% hai for a new singer to listen and to make the audience their own, वो तो उनका खुद का है ना. कि आपको प्लेटफॉर्म मिल सकता है, लेकिन आप उसको आगे ले जाके एक्चुअली कैसे कैप्चर करोगे, दैट्स ऑल योर स्किल एंड योर टैलेंट
Yeah.
and your expression. And they
Yeah.
managed it wonderfully.
Yeah.
Like, you know, the moment, why did I forget to read the lyrics? The first time I heard, because I was so mesmerized. It
Yeah.
just, the voice, you
Yeah.
know, the whole arrangement just came at me, and I was like, wow, kya chal raha hai idhar? And ye awaaz. And suddenly, like, you know, it jolts you and pushes you into that. That happened, 100%. Like
100%.
beautiful voices. And your words, they were adding. For me, lyrics were number one in the song. Voices were almost same. But like, if I had to choose, I'll say lyrics, but I don't want to choose. Like, you know, it's like right there. So for me, like, voices and lyrics were the star of this song.
Yeah, I feel like because her English bits we were understanding, we didn't need to see the
Correct.
CC,
Yeah.
and we were able to get what she's conveying. With him, especially, I will say this because we had no anchor point. Like
Yeah.
you said, we had no anchor point. We had no basis for like this thing. So
Hmm.
while I read the lyrics, but I was so mesmerized by his face and his eyes and just the way he was even
And voice.
conveying
Yeah.
the emotion that he's singing to the camera. He has
Yeah.
amazing camera presence, by the way.
Yeah.
I was just like, oh shit, I missed the line, and that was happening. But I was
Yeah.
so into the voice and just the flow of the language and how it sounded to my ears that I feel like he specifically accomplished that hurdle of not being able to connect with the audience or not being able to put his message or his meaning across, because he beautifully cracked it through the singing and through just the delivery of it. So
Absolutely. Absolutely. And I think
it
both of them
was
did. Like, even like both of them, their delivery, their expressions, their emotions in the song. Like, even if I shut my eyes and just listen to the song and don't watch the video at all, and it gorgeous, gorgeous.
no, I'm saying he did because he was speaking a language we don't know.
Correct,
She was
correct.
speaking a
Yeah.
language, yeah.
We know. Huh.
So
So she managed it in a very
both
different way. She managed it in the opposite way, that we understand the language, and yet the unfamiliarity of Pashto is there in her English so beautifully that aapko aadha lagta hai ki like, what?
she
So
managed it in a
beautiful.
way in how she delivered those English words and
Yeah,
lines
yeah.
in a way that just it actually, I don't know if this will make any sense, but it actually just sounded like the same language had begun
It does.
in a female
Yeah,
voice.
yeah, yeah.
So I don't know how, whether it was the composition, whether it was the melody of it, whether it was her singing of it, or her all of it probably together. But it literally, props to both of them for
Yeah. And
however they managed it. It
did
was
you
managed
notice, like,
brilliantly.
just when you don't understand the language,
Yeah,
it's a very sweet language. Like, every language has
that's what
its
I
own rhythm, right? It's so sweet.
that's
Like,
what I
you
was
listen
saying.
to it and you want to smile.
That's why I was
चाहे
smiling.
वो रोने की बात कर रहे हो, लेकिन हमें अगर नहीं समझ आ रहा तो we'll
We
be
are just
smiling.
like, oh, you're so cute. I love it. You know, that was happening. It literally sounded like, that's why I was like, oh shit, I
Yeah.
forgot to read the thing.
Yeah.
It's just, it was really, really soothing to the ears, and
Wow.
sweetness was coming across. So beautiful. I still will say, I don't know how they managed it, the singers, the composers, even the lyricists, but the way they have managed to merge these two languages into sounding like it's one sentiment and one thing, one
Yeah.
living thing. Beautiful, beautiful. It's so difficult because वो एक तो उसमें लिखी हुई line already है. अब English में हम कौन से words choose करें कि वो एक साथ
Correct.
ऐसे flow हो. Oh, it's just beautiful how it's been done. So the lyricists, Zahoor, Hidayat Marwat, Rehma, Abdullah Siddiqui, and Saad Bukhari,
Wow.
just brilliant. I cannot stress this
Super.
enough. It is just brilliant. Every single word they have selected with such care and detail and, meaning. So loved it. Okay, so Rehma and Zahoor, incredible finds. And the music, I just want to say, bringing Abdullah Siddiqui, of course, but also bringing Ahad Dayani was a nice touch. Nice touch. I loved it. He has this smile on his face, which is the reason whenever it was the smile at the end part when the camera was on him that I recognized him. But yeah.
So इसका music ऐसा था कि it was such a one flow for me that I at no point wanted to break away from it to even see. I could visually see कि वो कौन सा instrument play कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जो उसका overall impact था ना, that was one for me. So if you really ask me, did I notice all the different elements, different music instruments being used, different arrangement and layout? While yes, when the clapping began and the break happened, that time, yeah, it's natural because बाकी सारा music kind of बंद हो गया, कुछ तब भी चल रहा था, but main emphasis became on like the ताल of it, right? But overall, जो भी music चल रहा था, at no point can I identify. Like the overall impact of it is so
Oh.
strong that at no point can I turn around and say, अच्छा हाँ वहां पे ये चल रहा था. Maybe also because I didn't want to. You know, the song, but I was going so with it that एक point होता है ना when you stop yourself and say, okay, now critically break it down in your head. I didn't want to. I was just like, मुझे नहीं करना. मुझे 2 बार हमने गाना सुना. दोनों बार I just went with it. I was like, हाँ मैं ये गाने की तरह सुन रही हूँ. I'm not listening to it as a what instrument came in where and where it sounded amazing. Also मुझे पता भी नहीं चला because मैं इतनी ज्यादा उसमें जो खोए होते हैं. हाँ मैं थोड़ी zoned out थी उसके अंदर. So I'm glad that you caught it because I know
No,
you did.
I did. I was
हाँ.
very like my ears were picking up. Like I said, that वो
हाँ, तार.
matka wala
हाँ,
percussion
मटका वाला.
that kept happening in the background. I just loved how it was being blended with the more modern sounds, which were slightly more forward.
Yeah.
आगे था वो layer. But again, the minute it started with Abdullah Siddiqui written all over it,
Yeah.
and I was like, oh my God, this guy is like, we saw so much of his talent shine in season 14. It's kind of just so deeply etched in our brains till today.
That's true.
The way he kind of merges sonics and the way he always
That's
manages
Curly
to
as well, though. I wonder what parts he did. That merging of English
that's
and doing it with that thing. That's
composed,
him.
but the music is arranged and produced by Zulfi and Abdullah.
Abdullah Siddiqui.
Only.
Ha.
But yeah, we remember this from Curly's song. But I was thinking that the way he kind of always, while having these distinct elements audible, he always manages to create an overall impact of a very cohesive, vibey tune that is very easy for a listener to latch onto
Yeah.
and feel connected
Yeah.
to.
Yeah, 100%.
There's no
Yes.
space for a disconnect.
Yeah, for sure.
And that's his forte. वो हमेशा आएगा. Any song of his that I've heard, whether it's his ones with other artists, Ali Sethi, like all the ones in the past that we covered, there's always this unique quality where you can't escape its pull.
Yes, you can't.
You know?
I fully agree, yes.
वो इसमें हुआ, and how difficult is it with like you have to play with the Persian tar in this, like it's a very important element in this song because उस एक instrument से वो kind of cultural narrative उभर के निकला है, so it literally defines the sound of that region in this song particularly. I mean, there are other instruments also, but in this song, so beautifully done. You to behold in it. I was in the second listen, I was trying to pay more attention. In the first song, first listen, not as much, but just gorgeous. And now
yes, the lyrics.
The lyrics, my God. So the lyrics, they are not available anywhere online because while you were talking also I was looking, which is very strange because normally 2-3 दिन बाद वो Genius पे या दूसरे sites पे आ जाते हैं, है ना? So I don't know why. Guys, who are the contributors? Why are you getting lazy? Don't do that. Okay, what we'll do is here it says the lyrics are available in the closed captions. So हम फिर से pause play करेंगे. We are playing the pause play game today. Fine. So it starts off with him saying, I'm gonna speed it up slightly so that I can quickly
smoothly
read them. Okay. Just beautiful. This video is a movie. Okay, my world, your world might be a bit different. Sirf English mein likhe hain, by the way, CC. So obviously I can't read the original language. Might be a bit different, but I'm welcoming you by opening the doors of my heart. And then you are the black of my eyes. That makes me able to see the beauty in things. I was looking for you madly in search of a space where I can get relief/peace. And then the core of my heart is echoing the sound of happiness like the spring flourishes the earth. This is why she's wearing green. You know? My imagination begins with the thought, what status you own in my life. I don't know how to make you understand कि हम आपके हैं
कौन हो तो मेरे हाँ वही
then हम आप okay sorry Gule, why did you do this to me? That was just too cute. I just love this. This word is so cute. Gule is like flower, I'm guessing, right? My flower.
Yeah, like
Gul.
spring, like Gule
Haan.
Gulshan is like, okay, spring
Haan.
has come in the Gulshan. So like,
Gulshan,
yeah. So,
Why did you?
what are they called? Buds. So Gule is
Haan.
literally like buds.
My
ready to-
flower buds, my buds.
haan.
Do this to me. My imagination begins with the thought, what status you want in my life? Gule, why did you do this to me? There you are. Then she comes in. There you are. Black into blue, pulling me in with stars. I'm on the move, ready whenever your heart can fall. Ready whenever your heart can fall. Deeper than
Like
all.
a video game thing. They're ready to catch.
If I run away, would you let me stay? Har kale. Dancing with the distant magic. Lightning in the love like static. Listen, this is Abdullah Siddiqui's favorite word.
Yeah.
Static.
Yeah.
I've heard it before. Don't even understand how it happened. Of course, we never understand how it happened. I could see us everlasting. Oh, I could hear the cloud. It rumbled your name. Oh, didn't know that I'd change. Said I wouldn't fall, but it's too late.
Yes.
Hanging on the words that you don't say. What a line. Hanging on the words that you don't say. Crazy how you're doing this to me. I can say it now. You're my soulmate. Oh, I love the way she sang that. You're my soulmate, and then you're my soulmate. Said you wouldn't call when it's so late, taking up my time, have it your way. I can say it now, you're my soulmate, you're my soulmate. Beautiful, this whole section. Sometimes my heart, then he comes, sometimes my heart desires. Sometimes my heart desires, sometimes my heart desires. This is when they started singing together, I think. I have the audio off, so I can't. And then the clapping began. Sometimes my heart desires. So they're singing this line again and again. I think it was in Pashto. I walk into the unknowns with you, grooving to the moon when I look at you. I devote my life to you. Let's go. That's the line that was in the caption.
Yeah.
Zaba Shamas Pilane Sarazu. I devote my life to you. Let's go. Oh, so sweet. I walk into the unknowns with you, grooving to the moon when I look at you. From the other side, I'm singing back to you. My imagination begins with the thought, what status you are in my life. I don't know how to make you understand. Gule, why did you do this to me? Gule, why did you do this to me? So cute. Okay. The end, that whole section, it's just complete abandon, ecstasy, joy. Just
That was my favorite part.
surrender.
Like even in the video and everything. Yeah, that was my favorite part. Like it was just gorgeous.
Beautiful,
Very,
right?
very nicely done. Yeah.
I want to know the clapping section. Like, is it a part of their music, or was that this is very flamenco, very this thing.
No, but clapping is
But
a part of a lot of cultural
that's
things.
true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
Just so that's what I'm saying. Like the thought of introducing it there, if it's not something that they do, again, the composition of it
I'm
and the
100%
structuring
sure
of
that they
it,
do it.
they
Yeah.
probably do it.
Yeah.
In fact, I feel like maybe the dance that they were doing, I wonder what it's called. We'll see in the BTS. It's probably part of that. People
I've
are
seen
probably
that also.
clapping and they're
So
dancing.
mostly what happens is what I've noticed, at least in the culture over here, women, when they dance, claps are a lot of part of the, like how women folk is different from men folk.
Yeah.
And women folk has a lot of clapping in it. Men and footwork, like a lot of like Edi Marna and all that. And men
everything.
is more about flowing and dancing. Like it's more about like, what they were doing on the side. And this kind of dancing I've seen, like, yeah, I think it's all
actually,
culturally so
it's
mixed,
all,
right?
it's very, because I'm
Yeah.
thinking now, even in Oman, like the men folk do the folk dance and there's people who are just standing and clapping with it. So yeah, true. It's not. But anyway, it was beautifully structured. Just that
very nicely
section,
done.
the way they introduced it there and brought it in, beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think whatever we don't know and are unaware of, we will find out in the BTS. But
I'm really looking forward to the BTS.
Yes.
Because like there's going to be so many
so much to
questions
unpack.
answered. Yes.
Also, this whole video is a freaking movie. It's a
Oof.
movie. There's too many technical elements also that, we are not able
Yeah.
to catch and
Yeah.
talk about. But I'm looking forward to unpacking it.
वैसे
So
मुझे
you-
इनके सारे गाने so far इस season के सारी movies लगे हैं, like video wise, and that's saying a lot because to have that kind of detailing कि आप 4 मिनट में 5 मिनट में एक पूरी फिल्म की कहानी और एक ऐसा like you're creating such a feel that you feel कि आप
Yeah.
इतना झांक चुके हो उसके अंदर कि एक पूरी फिल्म बन सकती है उस पे.
That's true.
That's saying a lot. That's
That's
like,
saying a lot,
I
and
know.
that's true. I'm just thinking, आई में वो पूरी कहानी ही थी और
हाँ.
end में वो घर आई वापस.
हाँ.
And the
हाँ.
same kind of like story weaving happened in each one. So yes,
Correct.
each video is a movie.
Yeah.
This I'm saying because outdoor and sky and
Yeah.
mountains and सब दिखा हमें. इसे horse भी दिख गया. I mean, come on. You know, they got a cat. They got one. Now they got a horse. They got a full horse. So anyway, I loved it. All of you, as always, we are literally running out of things to say because every department, every member of your crew deserves their own flowers.
Yeah.
For creating such beautiful, beautiful, beautiful art, which is now like it's a cultural offering to the world, and the world will only be amazed. So props. We'll see you guys in the BTS. Looking forward to it. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
Suji me ci veo da si colle